what we've been doing. As we are moving through the year, let's look back at the last 8 months. In February, colorfinale 2 gained full support for Apple's M1 chips. In June, colorfinale 2 Pro added filter layers, redesigned masks and HSL masking. Let's hear what creators say about colorfinale 2.
My whole philosophy is fix it in camera, finesse it in post. And colorfinale is my favorite finessing tool. The feature in the latest release of colorfinale is hands down the new selective masking tool with HSL. Having secondary color corrections is key to fine-tuning your desired look and feel. This is one of those powerful things in pro color correction apps that is now in Final Cut Pro. Hopefully though, in future releases, it can be made easier to copy and share masks with other layers. But for now, thanks for making a great tool. Keep up the great work.
I absolutely love colorfinale 2 Pro, and I think it's the best color grading plugin for Final Cut Pro. I love some of the new features, especially the shuffle layer, because it helps me to create some really unique color grades. I also love the sharpen filter. That's a really nice addition. I honestly don't know how the team at colorfinale can make this plugin even better, but I'm excited to see what they come up with.
So I've been using colorfinale 2 Pro for a couple years now, and I gotta say that it's my favorite plugin for Final Cut Pro 10. That's because I love color grading more than I do editing. So I spend a lot of my time on the color grade. One of the tools I use the most is the vector tool. I use that to make sure my skin is dialed in. Also, when I'm applying LUTs, I like to see the LUT loader. So those are two that I use a lot. HSL curves. I think everything's great, and I'm happy to say that they're always pushing for new updates. So I'm excited to see what's next.
This year also saw the launch of a completely new product, colorfinale Transcoder. Thousands of creators use colorfinale Transcoder, now in version 1.3, to easily and conveniently import Blackmagic RAW and other professional RAW formats into their Final Cut Pro projects. Take advantage of the free 7-day trials of colorfinale 2 Pro and colorfinale Transcoder and try them in your post-production workflow. If you already own our products and are looking to get started or to learn more advanced features, go to the colorfinale YouTube channel to find videos containing